Hello everyone. I created this channel to share my trades with you and my trading journey. I'm gonna be sharing what trades I take and where I enter or exit. And let me know what you think in the comments. So I wanted to enable this feature, show trades on the chart, but for some reason it's not working. So I'm gonna be going back and forth between the monitor tab and obviously the chart. So let's start with the Apple. I have never traded Apple before, and it didn't go as well. So that was one of my negative for the day. I opened the first one at 133.70 around 9:04. So it was, okay, I can't see the time here. Okay, there it is, 9:04. So around here, 133.70, and it went up a little bit, but I was expecting that it would go up a little bit more, but it kind of failed and came back down. I added some more at 9:35 at 133.28. So it was around there. I saw this green candle, so I added some more here, and obviously it kind of failed, kept failing and failing, and I added the third time at 129.96 at around here, as I saw it touching the 200 MA SMA. So I added here, and it started reversing. I closed the position that I added at the bottom at around 132.02, so around this area, and then I closed the rest of the position as I saw it kind of failing here. But obviously it went up a little bit, but that's okay. Then I waited for it, and around 144, which is here, I'll zoom in here, 144 here on this candle, I added, as I saw it bouncing from this support, I added at 132.10, and then the next candle, I think I didn't take it off on the next candle. I was just waiting for it to like go back up, reversal, but that didn't happen. It kept coming back down. So at 208, so around here, I think this is where I decided that it didn't feel like it was gonna keep going up, so I took it off, which was only like a penny. And down the next one I added at 233 as I saw this. I think I added around on this candle 131.61. So that was around here and went up held it for a little bit, it went up, touched this resistance which was support before, and started coming down, so I took it off here. So this was like 10 cents, and then just before the close I added a little bit at 131.77. So overall it was not a good trade. It was not like I said, I've never traded Apple before. This is the first time, so I was kind of unfamiliar with the how it behaves. But let's move on. So the next one is AMD. Let's go to AMD. AMD I bought at 92.07. It was around 842, so I think I bought it here, exactly just above this line, and I think I kind of held it for a little bit, but then I saw it kind of consolidating, and I just didn't feel like it was working, so I kind of more or less panic sold here. But anyways, moving on. So I added at 91.88 at 902, which was this candle. So just below that the support line, or just this level. So I held on to it, and I saw it go up. I was hoping it would touch the next level. That's why I didn't take it off. So it came back down. It kind of kept doing back and forth until it failed. At that point I added more at 1036, which is around here. So it was just above this line here. So I held on to that, and I think I closed the one of those positions at 1227, which is around here, yeah, on this candle. So this is where I sold first one, I mean the one that I added here, and then I think I kind of flattened the position. That's why you're seeing all these different fills, because it felt like it was gonna come back down. So overall I think it's a pretty good day for AMD. Actually, no, that's not right. So I sold this one, I sold here, but this top one this was from my this was a position that I'd taken a day before, so that's why I sold it around here. I think I sold it around here. Okay, there's that. Moving on to Netflix. Okay, Netflix. I took a position at 523.19 at 933. I think I took it here, right on this candle, around like right here. And I kind of forgot about it, and I sold it at 11:30, around 524.35. So yeah, I completely forgot about it. Came back down, and then I didn't even look at it until like, where did I sell it? 524.35, 524.35. So I think around here somewhere I sold it. Next one was again at 523, which was, I think, around here. Let's see, time is 12:39. 12, yeah, I think around here. As I saw it like turning around the same level, but that it kind of fell down. I should have waited for it to come down, but I kind of added here. So it came down, and I held it and held it, and I closed around 219, 524.29. So 219, 524.29. So around here I sold it. I think there was a VWAP here, so I didn't think it was gonna go up, but it kind of failed there, but that's where I sold. Okay, Netflix, that's done. Let's move on to Square. Square, I had a negative day on Square. I shorted that around 241.5, which is 13 at 123. So 123. So around here, I saw that there was some resistance, so I wanted to try some short. Okay, so I held on to it until at 217. So I think I sold it just before this big jump. I mean, covered it. So the next one was at 242.07 at 228. So I think it was around here. On this candle, I saw it failing down, so I shorted again, and I covered 241.51. So just at the bottom of this candle. because there was a 20 EMA here, so I was thinking it's gonna bounce here, so I shorted around here and covered here. But the square was also a negative for me for the day. And then the last one is Tesla. So Tesla, I had a really good day. I bought it at 620.90, 620.90. I think it was around here, 620.90. Let's see, the time is 10:08. So I'm pretty sure I bought it on this candle as it was going up. So I held on to it. It dipped lower. I held on to it. I was kind of confident on it. So as it went up at 11:05, so it was just around here somewhere. I sold it at 628, so that was a good $7 per share profit going from here to there. And then the second trade was, I bought it at 625 at 11:13. So I think I bought it here. It felt like it was gonna go. It didn't. I should have waited for this this dip, but kind of became impatient, and then I panic sold as it was coming down to test. But then I realized that I should probably get back in, and I got back in at 622.25, which was 22.25. So it was around here. That's where it felt like it had some support here, and I held on to it for a while. It went up, came back down, then went up, and then kept going up. So I believe I sold it at 1 o'clock around here on this candle. I sold it at pretty much at around here somewhere, so 634.42. so this one was also a really good trade. It was about $12 per share. So overall it was really good day. Let's see. So okay. Oh. So I made this spreadsheet to kind of visualize my profit and loss. Obviously, this is just to show which side I'm taking. My -1 is short side, and 1 is long side. But this is not like actual profit. This is per share profit. So if we do this, you can see overall it was $19 per share profit. So it was a really good day. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? What should I improve on? If you see anything, let me know what you like, what you dislike. And I'm looking forward to sharing more of my trades with you, and hopefully I'll do even better as I do more trades. Thank you for watching.